Here I've got my input. You can see 12.53 volts, voltage setting, amperage setting. There's no amps flowing at the moment. I've got the scope on, the transistor. I've got everything connected except the positive. I'll put the positive on now. I'm just going to give an overview. I've got my scope on the top wire there, and I've got the wire coming off that, going to a pair of diodes, and from the diodes I'm feeding the red and the green clip, green clip into the capacitor, and negative on the capacitor comes back to my Tesla pancake coils here. Basically, they are being used in this situation as a capacitor bank. I'm using them as capacitor plates, because from the transistors collector, I'm feeding to the one side of the pancake coils, and from the other side of the pancake coils, I'm feeding to the bottom of the wine bottle coil. And then from the capacitor, I'm feeding directly to the 4 LEDs. So the lights won't come on immediately. It's got to take a few seconds to charge the capacitor. And it's on. And you can see the lights coming on. There's my one hand, there's my other hand. There's no other connecting cables to it. And we're drawing 12.12 volts at 0.31312 amps. I'll work it out and put it on the screen over here when I do the editing, how many watts I'm putting in from the supply. That's the two cables doing the supply, positive in and negative return to the black there. And there you can see the 4 LEDs as before. And there's absolutely no connection between. I'm trying to show you. If I move, I hope it focuses well. It's the wires, and that's the wire going to the man. I wish I had a better workspace, but then again, that's how it goes. Let's do a close-up on the yellow trace is the top of the bottle, of the wine bottle, and the blue trace is on the transistor collector. Gives the frequency there, 78.2 kilohertz, and a nice ringing on the bottle, on the wine bottle. Really nice ringing on the wine bottle. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And please let me know in the comments any questions you have. I will be gladly willing to answer them. And if I have to rate this wine bottle coil, which was built in a matter of a couple of hours, of all the coils that I've built in my life, let's say out of 100, this would be number 97. Not one of my best coils yet, but it's doing well. It's doing really, really, really well. I'm gonna take off the one supplied to the LEDs. You can see it goes out. I'm gonna take off the other supplied to the LEDs. You can see it goes out. Obviously, when I put it back, the caps has had a chance to charge up a bit. So immediately they are very bright, and then they sag back a bit. But I'm not switching my lights off inside here, and they are still as bright as my lights on the ceiling. Remember, I'm just very close to them. Yeah. So, okay. Thank you very much for watching.